Hey guys, welcome to this video on YouTube ideas for 2021. YouTube is the social media platform that needs no introduction. Launched back in the year 2005, YouTube was a fresh breath of air for the people who were slowly becoming aware of the hype that surrounded the internet. Several other platforms like Dailymotion, Vidme and Vimeo, which admittedly have their own fans, have tried to stand up against the behemoth that is the YouTube and failed. Slowly but surely, marketers began to realize the enormous potential that YouTube offered. They could add small advertisements like they do in the cable TV, they could show banner ads and do much more, and all of the thanks to the robust advertisement features that Google already offered. If you're not already sold on why it's important to advertise on YouTube, here are some facts that might change your mind. YouTube has more than 2 billion users across the world. A good fraction of that audience could be shown your product and could turn from users to customers. Next important fact is that 8 out of 10 marketers consider YouTube to be one of the best platforms to advertise their products and services. Followed by that, people watch 1 billion hours of YouTube per day. As you watch this video, you are contributing to that number. Next, 62% of the business use YouTube to post content. This could be just videos on their products, tutorials, event announcements, and much more. 70% of the YouTube watch time comes from mobile. This means that when you create an advertisement for YouTube, you keep the mobile users in your mind. And finally, 90% of the people say that they've discovered new products or brands on YouTube, which means that by posting on YouTube, your brand awareness is highly likely to increase. Now, let's talk about the video ideas. The first one is behind the scene videos. These videos give you the opportunity to showcase your audience how your business or brand operates. A creatively made video on the inner workings of your business will show off a more human side of your brand and make you more relatable to your audience. It is also guaranteed to get you loads of views and engagement. Here's an example how Amazon showcases the warehousing and distribution aspects of its products. It takes the viewers into the factories and involves the various people working there. This shows to the audience that even a large organization like Amazon, how each individual has an important role to play in the overall process. Next, we have the company culture. A video that highlights your company culture will tell the audience what your business goals are, what its values are, and why it exists. It can also focus on the various people who make sure the company works in the way it does. This can help better connect with your audience. Here's an example, a company culture video created by GoDaddy, the popular domain registrar. The video talks about how GoDaddy creates a fun, inclusive, and energetic environment for its employees. It includes interviews of employees talking about why they enjoy working in GoDaddy so much, and this helps the audience relate with the company and could also catch up the interest with some potential job seekers. Next, we have the third idea, that is the marketing team. A brand is nothing without the people working behind it, and that's where these videos come in. These videos will help shine a light on the people who create the products that the audience knows and loves. This helps create a personal connection with the audience. These individuals can end up becoming mascots for your brand. Here's an example of Meet the Team focusing on Olympus Group. The video goes into the history of Mascot Maker's brand and the people that make it a grand success. The light-hearted tone of the video also greatly helps with making it more relatable. Now we have number 4, product showcase or announcement. A product showcase video aims to show the features and benefits of the brand's latest offering to its audience. These short, concise videos can inform the audience about everything they need to know about the new product or service. A product announcement video, on the other hand, can be used to give the audience a more detailed look into the product or service than the product showcase. It can include comparisons to older versions or competitors. The aim of such video is to show customers how the new product works and why they need it. Now, this video needs no introduction. Apple's iPhone videos have always been short but smooth, sleek and concise representations of what the product would be like. Next, at number 5, we have event announcements. These videos can build a hype regarding an upcoming event. It will also give you the opportunity to engage with your audience and build their interest. This promo video for the Data Innovation Summit 2020 hypes up the event, boasting the greatest minds in the tech, the most innovative companies, and much more. The next video idea we have at number 6 is the explainer videos. These videos are aimed to tell users how a particular product or a service works. These tend to be much more useful than wall of text explaining how something works. They also have an added advantage of simplifying complex concepts and features to your audience. For example, we have our own video on digital marketing. We cover a number of different concepts like SEO, social media marketing, search engine marketing, and more on a visual manner, making it more likely to grab the attention of a viewer. Next, at number 7, we have tutorials. Tutorial videos give users some actionable insights and knowledge that your users can learn from. These videos aim to be guides to information, complex concepts, hints, tips and tricks relating to your industry. Here we have our own digital marketing course video as an example. Unlike the previous example I mentioned, this video goes into much more detail regarding each of the concepts of digital marketing. On that note, if you guys are interested in learning about digital marketing, I suggest you start from this video. It's a great one to get started with. Now, on the next video idea at number 8, we have the product tutorial. A product tutorial video will take your audience through the various features of your product offers alongside its intricacies. It can also detail some additional insights about your product. You can also explain the best way the product can be used. Here's a video of how the meditation app Headspace explains the app's usage with an interesting and creative animated video. Now, let's go ahead with number 9. At the number 9, we have the webinar. A webinar, thanks to its nature, provides your brand with loads of opportunities to interact with your audience. They are usually very accessible and easy to make. They are also very cost effective and can be reused as video content after the session is complete. Here's an example of Simplilearn's webinar, where we talk to the industry experts regarding a wide variety of topics while involving the audience by having the guest answer the audience questions whenever possible. Next, at number 10, we have the live streams. Live streams for an event will help build excitement and hype for the event. It can be advertised on other social media platforms to generate some hype as well. These videos can also help you bring up your product to a larger audience and at a reduced cost. Here's an example of a live stream that constantly keeps a track of subscribers increasing for some of the most popular YouTube channels. Next, at number 11, we have AMA or Ask Me Anything sessions. The AMA or Ask Me Anything sessions are usually live streams or pre-recorded sessions that feature questions collected from the audience. Although it originated from Reddit, these videos are finding a success on YouTube thanks to the interactivity that it offers. These sessions can also give your audience the opportunity to interact with you, provide suggestions, feedback, and much more. Here's an example of AMA session with the actor Matt Damon, where questions covering a wide variety of topics collected from Reddit were answered by him. Next, at number 12, we have interviews. Interviewing someone interesting or of an authority within your niche can go a long way to grow your audience. These sessions are doubly advantageous too. Firstly, you and by extension your audience get to interact with an industry stalwart, and since this video can be shared on your channel as well as theirs, you can expose your channel to a brand new audience. Here's an example of an interview between Marcus Brownlee, a popular tech YouTuber, with Bill Gates. The interview covers a wide variety of topics and maintains a pleasant theme throughout. Let's now go to number 13, testimonials. A testimonial video helps highlight the positive feedback from a client or a customer. They provide social proof and provide a unique perspective on your products and services. These videos can greatly help improve people's trust on your brand, shareability, and credibility. Here's an example of Simplilearn's testimonial video that covers a learner's journey as he grew in his career thanks to Simplilearn's certification. A video like this can be greatly relatable to the audience and even encourage some of them to take up a certification. Let's go to our next video idea, that is the number 14, whiteboard videos. A whiteboard video offers you a visually attractive way of explaining complex concepts. Usually, this involves a trained experts breaking through a complex topic on a whiteboard. Nowadays, there has also been the trend of digital whiteboard videos that work thanks to the visual style and charisma of the narrator. Here's an example of the whiteboard video Simplilearn created covering various concepts of social media marketing with the help of an engaging narrative and interesting visuals. Next up we have number 15, competitions. Competitions or contest videos give your audience the opportunity to get involved with your channel. These videos enable you to generate fresh and original content with little from your end. In an interesting example for foldable flight channel, users submitted their ideas for paper airplanes that would go to the farthest distance. The channel received a significant amount of submissions and saw considerable growth. Next we have 16, the lists. List videos are some of the most commonly found content on YouTube. Most users enjoy this type of content thanks to it being small, easily digestible, and bite-sized. These videos can cover a wide range of topics like options to choose from, the best products, techniques, and much more. The main advantage of these videos are they provide users with value while further involving them with your channel. Here's an example of a list that we have created on the top 10 skills you need to become a data analyst in the year 2021. If you're interested, don't forget to check it out. At number 17, we have case studies. Case studies talk about how your product or service have benefited clients and users. Videos like this can greatly improve relatability and making your brand seem more likable. Here's a video that analyzes Coca-Cola's marketing campaign and what it made one of the most popular brands in the world. Now, let's talk about content that may not be necessarily for a brand but for individual creators. At number 18, we have tech unboxing. These videos usually involve packages being opened for the first time. While these are fairly common for technology, these videos have also found success in fashion apparel. These videos enable the users to experience the products for the first time, sometimes even helping them decide between rival products. Here's an example of PS5 being unboxed by Marcus Brownlee, who goes into detail regarding each of its console components, controllers, and other specifications. At number 19, we have tech reviews. With tech reviews, you can talk about the various features of a particular product, what you liked about it, what you didn't, its price, and other practical information, and much more. Here we have an example of OnePlus 8 Pro being reviewed in detail, covering its many features, advantages, disadvantages, and much more. And finally, we have number 20, reaction videos. Reaction videos are exactly what the name says. You giving an emotional reaction to something like a movie trailer, music video, or TV episode. These videos encourage a large amount of engagement from the audience and make your brand seem more relatable. Here's an example of a reaction video involving teenagers reacting to the latest TikTok videos. These videos usually enable a large amount of likes, comments, and shares. And there we go. That's our list of YouTube ideas for 2021. Here's your reminder to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated on tutorials, live sessions, and latest technologies. And with that, we have reached to the end of this video. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.